to now we've managed to componentialize it a little. We've managed to get the list of synonyms appearing as it did before in with the new component architecture. But we haven't yet implemented click, and we haven't yet also highlighted the item which has been clicked. So let's go back into the coding here. Now notice we've got here the click equals dm rhymes. So what happens when we click on it? This get dm rhymes in previously was triggered. Get dm rhymes set current rhyme query becomes this variable current rhyme query is set to the one you've just clicked on, and that is the means by which the highlight takes place. So the current rhyme query is the same as X, the same as the current one in the iterated list of synonyms. So that's how the highlighting takes place. So the question is kind of like, because it's a click, which is a kind of fairly standard HTML kind of event, we'll just click it in here and just check if this actually does bubble. That even this app synonymo, we haven't kind of we're listing on a click for an item underneath it, which to say the span inside app synonymo. But can this click still get trapped by the this new component app synonymo that we've created? So let's do a save here and let's have a look. So if we go back to it, and again I'll type in exactly the same rhyme as I always do, fast, and I click on it, and as you see now, so that shows that the click inside the span inside app synonymo is being passed to app synonymo, such that it is then being capable of being listened to by the parent of app synonymo, which is currently app component, which is excellent news. The other thing we would like it to do is to highlight based on the one we've clicked on. So the way we were doing that previously is we have this kind of little ng class equals saying show the highlight, apply the class highlight in the event that the current item in the iteration over the list of synonyms is the same as the one we've just clicked on, and that will be that will indicate if that is the case. So let's kind of take this, because we're going to apply the same sort of thing. Now however, these values, however, don't or could exist here, but it might be better to put them inside the span below. So let's kind of copy this, and we'll go inside the synonymo component, and we'll paste this here, which is we're going to say apply the class highlight when the currently clicked item is the same as the one as the current item in the iteration. Now in the top level there, originally X was the item in the iteration, current rhyme query is the one currently clicked. But as you remember, we created these variables, source and sin, source being the one that is clicked, sin being the currently iterated one. So we could just replace them. So we could just say the current rhyme query, which is source, sorry, wrong point, source, and the currently iterating over item, we'll call that sin, and we'll save that. Okay, and now we'll see if we are getting the same things. Over click on rapid, and as you see, it's highlighted true. Okay, firm. So we're getting hot. So everything is working as it should be. We've done, if you like, not particularly important componentialization here. Let's go back here to this. We've replaced this span here with this app synonym object. We've managed to put the ng class part into the lower thing. So it's not, as I say, not particularly useful, but at least it shows you how we can create these things. And if, for example, we wanted to implement sort of some things like mouse over, we might be able to do that as well. So we've got that. Now the next part, however, is a more ambitious thing, is to actually then turn, because ultimately the clicking on any particular synonym as doesn't really have that much importance for um, uh, the the list of rhymes, all that kind of handling of the change of colour, etc. The rhyme list kind of just needs to be given a word to in order to be the source of the generating of rhymes. So what would be nice to do is take all of this and turn it into another component, which we can maybe call something like the synonym bag or something like that.